I'm just gonna jump straight into this. I'm not really gonna talk much because you can kind of see every little item I have here. So yeah, and I repeat this process twice, so I will talk about it the second time. Just note the parsley, the garlic granules, and the portobello mushroom. So all I'm doing is making like a pretty much like a quick guacamole. If you're lazy and you don't like to get too many dishes dirty, you can actually just mash it inside the avocado skin. Sometimes I do that if I'm trying to save some time, but YouTube aesthetics. So I'm gonna show it from the beginning. But I feel like a disrespectful ex right now. Like I've just been MIA on YouTube for the longest time, and now I'm back like nothing happened. But we move. If you've missed me, I'm back. So hi, my name's Meech. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So the first meal I am making is the portobello mushrooms on avocado toast or avocado ciabatta. I like to use portobello mushrooms because they're just more meaty, I guess. And I like a little meat in my mornings. No pun intended. So yeah, I just slice them up. Obviously wash them, de-stalk them, slice them up, and then I use a little coconut oil. I say little as she sprays and continues spraying, but yeah, I saute the mushrooms with the garlic, some parsley, and some pink salt, which isn't shown, but you can just use normal table salt, whatever you like. But if you're not putting garlic and parsley on your mushrooms in 2021, then I'm gonna just pray for you because I don't know what else to say. So yeah, I just saute them basically in a pan quickly. This is like a breakfast if I want it to take like 5-10 minutes tops. And then I just slice a roll of ciabatta. No preference as to why I use ciabatta, just I don't really eat bread, so I don't buy loaves. So if I'm in the mood for bread, I always have some ciabatta rolls somewhere. I'm just being hella extra here. I really like to have those fork lines through my avocado toast. Personally, I definitely recommend ciabatta. If you're bored of like just normal bread, just use some ciabatta. Pop my mushrooms on there, and I usually have this with a smoothie or some tea, and it goes down a charm. Look at it. I wish you could smell it because it smells delicious, like absolutely delicious. Wow, not dry hands. I said I didn't talk about it the first time, I'm going to talk about it now. To make my avocado, it's just a whole avocado or half if it's a big one. I just slice it to get it into smaller pieces to make it easier to kind of mash up. And this also helps if you slice it like that and just use your fork inside the avocado skin, you can mash it up real easily. Definitely got those pips out. Use a little bit of pink salt, some black pepper, and some paprika. Smoked, of course. And that is literally how I season my avocado. Sometimes I'll add some chili flakes on it. Chili flakes go really, really well on avocado toast. But that's how it should look. Then I get yellow bell peppers, red bell peppers, some spinach, and some tofu. I didn't even say what we were making here. My bad. We're making a tofu scramble. I will link a video up for my tofu video, because I feel like tofu is pretty hit and miss if you don't know what to do with it. So yeah, I spoke about my tofu scramble in there. But I like to put veggies, just whatever veggies I'm feeling for. Sometimes it'll be mushroom, sometimes it'll be kale. But I definitely prefer red and yellow bell peppers. Is there really a difference? I just feel like green ones are like my salad bell peppers, or if I'm making like fajitas. But the same process, I literally just slice some ciabatta and I go and toast that. Meanwhile, again, spraying the oil in the pan, and then I cook up the bell peppers and I add the tofu as well. Once I finally get it in there. There we go. There you go. That is my favorite seasoning. For some people, I really didn't mean to add that much, by the way, but for some people it's called vegeta. For others it's just a vegetable seasoning, like an all-purpose vegetable seasoning. It's got a lot of salt in it, so I would definitely say if you use that, don't use any salt, as I haven't. But yeah, I definitely put way too much vegetable seasoning. It shouldn't be that much, just like a pinch. Like if you were seasoning up your eggs, how much would you put? And then I add the spinach and basically just saute that until the spinach kind of starts to wilt. You can put a lid on it if it's taking forever, but it should ultimately just look like that, with my toasted ciabatta and my avocado spread on again, being super extra. But listen, if it's pleasing to the eye, it's most definitely pleasing to the stomach. So that's my method here. And then I just pour the scramble right on top. There was so much there. Usually I like to have a little bit of extra in the bowl, which I'll just kind of fork up at the end and just eat like a little scramble. But this is how it looks, and it tastes so delicious, and it's quick. Both of these meals can be done in 10-15 minutes. So yeah, if you enjoyed that, then definitely subscribe, and I will see you guys on some more food videos in the future. Thanks for watching.